So, hello everyone. I'm Jennifer Alfonso from 2CED, and I'll be discussing a depreciation problem using a straight line method. So, our problem is a plant bought as calciner for 220,000 pesos and use it for 10 years. The lifespan of the equipment. What is the book value of the calciner after 5 years of use? Assume a scrap value of 20,000 pesos. And the calciner um is the one in the background, and a type of plant which is like a cement plant bought a caster just like on the picture behind. And we will now um analyze its given values. So the original cost, which is 220,000 pesos, and L, which is the useful life of years of the caster, which is 10 years, and the scrap value, which is given 20,000 pesos, and the n years, which is 5 for the book value. So what is the required and the equation? So the required value for this problem is C sub 5, which is the book value after 5 years. And its equation is book value after n years is equal to original cost minus the total depreciation after n years. And before we solve for the book value, we first need to know what is the total depreciation or the depreciation after the n years. So, the formula for the depreciation after n years is equal to n times the quantity C sub O, which is the original cost, minus C sub L, which is the scrap value over L, which is the useful life of the equipment after years. So, by knowing that we have this given, we could now solve for the total depreciation formula or the depreciation up to 5 years. So, um, using the equation D sub n is equal to n times the quantity C sub O, or the original cost, minus C sub L, or the scrap value over L. So, substitution of the given data, we have 5 times the quantity, 220,000 pesos, minus 20,000 pesos all over 10. So the depreciation after 5 years is equal to 100,000 pesos. And now we could now solve for the book value after 5 years. Book value formula is equal to original cost minus the depreciation after n years, which is substituting the given values that we have solved earlier. So given value, which is 220,000 pesos, minus 100,000 pesos, which is the one we've solved earlier. And we now know that the book value after 5 years is equal to 120,000 pesos. So therefore, the book value of the container after 5 years of use is 120,000 pesos. Um, Thank you for listening, and I hope you've learned something.